Hi everyone, just went to check my mail and I got what most people call junk mail. You know, it's all those ads and everything that you get when you get your mail. But as couponers, we should always check through to see if there are coupon inserts. Like here's one from Smart Source. Okay, usually there's at least one of them, but we're going to continue to check just to be sure. Oh, see, there we go. Two Smart Source. They're different Smart Sources. So if you just throw that junk mail away, you could be throwing away possible savings. So make sure you check that junk mail before you throw it out, okay? Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you. Bye.